Boom sticks. So I know these are very popular with the kids. I have the one here that's got all the different flavors. I guess they're flavors, and basically you put these in your nose and sniff in. It's supposed to basically clear that nasal congestion. Wow. And it also gives you a sense of that smell for a while, almost like you're chewing gum and you have that sensation, but this stays in there for probably 10, 15 minutes. I never really timed it, but yeah, these are the nasal sticks. I got the different colored ones or different flavored ones. These are all natural, so you don't have to worry about any kind of drugs, like anything like that. You're not gonna really have any side effects or anything like that. It's all natural. They have a patent on this stuff too, from what I understand. But I understand, because also Vicks has something like this. I don't know how they can have a patent, but Vicks can also make it. Maybe they have to pay them. But these are the BoomBoom sticks. They are awesome. I like them. I don't know. I recommend you try them out too. I don't know.